If you've ever picked up a piece of clothing and you've thought, what is it and how do I even price it? Well, there's actually a few hidden things on the tag that can tell you exactly what it is. And once you know how to use those numbers, everything else will get easier. Well, hey, my name is LeeMeier and I've made over 100,000 selling used clothes online. And I help people do the same, whether you're selling clothes out of your own closet or you're doing this for some extra income. Today, I'm going to show you how to identify brands using RN numbers, how to find style names using style numbers, and how to use AI to speed up the whole process. Let's start with the fastest ones. So first up are those RN numbers. This is one of the easiest ways to be able to identify the brand. And this can come in handy if the brand tag is cut out, but the material tag is still there. If you're needing to look up the RN number, you're simply going to go to the RN database website. You'll type in the number and most of the time, the company name will come right up. Again, this is helpful if the brand tag is missing, if the brand tag is worn out and you can't read it, or if you're not sure what it is. Taking the time in these situations to look the numbers up can help you avoid passing up something that is valuable or worse, mislabeling it. And the RN number also helps to be able to correctly identify Anthropologie brands. With as many Anthropologie brands that are out there, it can be almost impossible to remember them all. The easiest way is to look for the RN number. And real quick, if you've ever felt stuck on things like how to price items, what something is called, or how to write titles that actually get views, those are the kinds of things that I help people with inside of my Empowered Reseller membership program. Inside, I walk you through step by step, so you're never having to guess every single decision. You can list faster, feel more confident pricing, and make more sales and more profit. I'll link that below if you'd like the help. Now, the next thing that you're gonna find on tags is what is called a style number. Not every item is gonna have this and not every brand will give a style number, but oftentimes brands do. And you're gonna find this style number usually on the material content tag. What you're looking for here is a string of letters or numbers, usually a little bit on the longer side. And it might not make any sense, and sometimes there's multiple. What you're gonna do is search by brand and then add that style number to it. You're also gonna wanna make sure that you are searching images so that you can quickly identify that that item does truly match. Now, quick tip while we're here. Sometimes you'll see on tags things like dates and seasons. That can also give you additional information. The more information you have, the better. And again, not every brand does this, but when they do provide dates, that can be very helpful to tell if something is a newer item or even if it's an older item. Dates weren't given a lot with old items, but when dates started getting put on tags, those items are now starting to become vintage. Both of these situations, whether it's a newer item or an older item, can definitely affect pricing, so that's something that you're gonna wanna pay attention to on your tags. Brands like American Eagle and The Gap are some of the ones that will always include a date. Date on American Eagle happens to be a very small tag under the material content tags, and it'll have the month and the year. For example, this one is showing February of 2018. Victoria's Secret is another one that does dates, and there's a lot of numbers on these tags. You're simply looking for 2 digits, space, 2 digits, and that'll be the month and the year. For example, with this one, it's June of 2022. And speaking of bras, that's one of the places where I always will look up the style number if it's available. This one happens to be from a brand that's called Glamorize. So for example, with this one, I can put in the brand name Glamorize along with the number 1265, and that's gonna come back as the Magic Lift Posture Support Bra. We can go in and double check on their website and it's an exact match. We can even pull in those key features and use them in our listing. Now, sometimes when you're looking up style numbers, you won't be able to find any matches, and that's okay. It usually means that it's just a little bit older of an item and there may not be many others that are listed like it. If you're still not seeing the style number and the tag has multiple numbers, don't be afraid to keep going down the list. It's not going to hurt anything, and it usually only takes a few seconds. Worst case scenario, if you're not able to find a style name at all, then don't worry. Here's your backup plan. Start with the brand and what the item is. Start simple and then add details that are gonna get you closer to the right results. A lot of times doing this, when you add in the different features like the type of neckline, the cut of the sleeve, the type of fabric, you can oftentimes find a match that way. Now, this is where things get really exciting because this research can take a lot of time. But with new tools that are available to us as resellers, the whole process can go a whole lot quicker. Instead of having to search manually, compare one by one, and guess keywords, now we have AI and this can do a lot for you. You can simply upload photos of those tags with all of those numbers and have it do a lot of the legwork for you. For this particular example, this is a pair of sweatpants from Livy Active by Lane Bryant. And when I uploaded that tag, the results were not accurate. It actually had the number of the RN wrong. It was missing a number. And it came back as the Gap, which was not a correct match because in this case, I knew the brand. So you can get bad information. Even without that tag, I would know it's wrong just because of the size of those pants. So going back to the old way, that brought in the correct name of Lane Bryant. It's not always a perfect system, and you do have to use your best judgment. That's just one small example of where things can go wrong, but in a lot of cases, AI tools can be really helpful to be able to speed up the research process. Now, if you'd like to specifically see how you can look up style names when it comes to Lululemon, that's a whole nother ballgame. So in this video that I've got up next, I walk you through how to do that. Just click or tap the screen and I'll see you there.